This is Professor Darif Seitz, Microsoft Excel variations. This video shows how to calculate statistical variations using Microsoft Excel. There's a data set here, a small one in the blue cells. And the first variation, which is a measure of the spread of data around the center, is the population variance indicated by sigma squared. The Excel function for this is var.p, and it takes as a parameter the range of cells containing the data. The next one is sigma, the population standard deviation, the square root of the population variance, and the function for that is stdev.p for population standard deviation. Next is the sample variance, s squared, and that's var.s, and its square root, the sample standard deviation, standev.s. All these measures of spread can be quickly calculated using these functions. Going through the details of the formulas are much more involved and error-prone. Another measure of spread, of variation, is the range of this data, which is the largest value minus the smallest value. In Microsoft Excel's functions, it uses here the max of this range, giving you the largest value, minus, that's subtracting, the min of this range. So we see 10 here. The data is not sorted. It does not need to be sorted. Sorting it, it's easy to do. Sometimes it's interesting to sort the data. There it's sorted. It helps us see the range better, 47 and 37, a difference of 10. Nothing changed though because of the order of the items. And as usual, you can reuse this spreadsheet. Remember though that if your data is a different number of data items, you have to adjust the range appropriately in each one of these formulas. Or if you don't want to use the spreadsheet, you just want to use the functions, you know the names now. var.p, standev.p for the population parameters, and then the sample variance and the sample standard deviation are the sample statistics. Remember that parameters apply to a population, they both start with P, and statistics apply to a sample, they both start with the letter S.